Italy, a country rich in history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes, offers countless destinations that capture the hearts of travelers. From the romantic canals of Venice to the rolling hills of Tuscany, Italy is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. In this video, we'll journey through some of the best places to visit in Italy, highlighting their unique charm and the unforgettable moments they promise. Let's begin our adventure in Venice, a city that feels like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Known for its intricate network of canals, Venice is a place where every corner reveals a new surprise. Imagine gliding along the Grand Canal in a gondola, surrounded by stunning architecture and the gentle sounds of water lapping against the boat. As you navigate through the narrow waterways, be sure to stop at St. Mark's Square, where the iconic Basilica and the Campanile Tower stand proudly. The Basilica's intricate mosaics and stunning architecture are a sight to behold, and if you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of the famous golden altarpiece, the Pala d'Oro. Enjoy a leisurely coffee at one of the many outdoor cafes, listening to the melodies of street musicians while soaking in the vibrant atmosphere. Another highlight in Venice is the Rialto Bridge, the oldest of the four bridges spanning the Grand Canal. The view from the bridge is spectacular, especially at sunset when the golden light reflects off the water. Don't forget to explore the charming neighborhoods of Cannaregio and Dorsoduro, where you'll find artisan shops and local eateries that give you a taste of authentic Venetian life. Next, we move to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. This city is an art lover's paradise, home to masterpieces by Michelangelo, Botticelli, and Leonardo da Vinci. The Uffizi Gallery is a must-visit, showcasing an incredible collection of artwork that narrates the history of this influential period. As you stroll through the streets, don't miss the stunning Florence Cathedral, with its striking dome designed by Brunelleschi. Climb to the top for breathtaking views of the city, especially at sunset when the sky turns a beautiful shade of pink and gold. Afterward, wander across the Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge lined with charming shops, and experience the vibrant atmosphere of the local markets. While in Florence, take a moment to visit the Accademia Gallery to see Michelangelo's David, a sculpture that embodies the artistic excellence of the Renaissance. The precision and detail of this masterpiece are truly awe-inspiring. Don't forget to explore the Boboli Gardens, where you can enjoy a leisurely walk among sculptures and manicured lawns while taking in views of the city. For those looking to delve deeper into Tuscany's wine culture, consider a day trip to the Chianti region, where you can tour vineyards and indulge in wine tastings paired with local cheeses. Traveling further south, we arrive in Rome, the Eternal City, where ancient history and modern life coexist beautifully. A visit to Rome wouldn't be complete without exploring the Colosseum, a magnificent structure that once hosted gladiator battles. Imagine standing in the arena surrounded by echoes of history. Nearby, the Roman Forum offers a glimpse into the heart of ancient Rome, with its impressive ruins and temples. Don't forget to toss a coin into the Trevi fountain, ensuring your return to this enchanting city. Legend has it that throwing a coin over your shoulder with your right hand guarantees your return to Rome, making it a delightful tradition for tourists. As night falls, indulge in authentic Italian cuisine at a local trattoria, savoring pasta dishes and delightful gelato. The neighborhood of Trastevere is perfect for this, with its winding cobblestone streets and vibrant nightlife. Be sure to try classic dishes like cacio e pepe or carbonara, paired with a glass of local wine. As you stroll through Trastevere, the lively atmosphere and beautifully lit streets will create a magical evening. From Rome, we make our way to the Amalfi Coast, a stunning stretch of coastline known for its dramatic cliffs and picturesque villages. Positano, with its colorful houses cascading down to the sea, is a postcard-perfect destination. Take a leisurely walk along the beach, enjoy fresh seafood at a waterfront restaurant, and immerse yourself in the breathtaking views. For a different perspective, consider taking a boat tour along the coast, exploring hidden coves and enjoying the azure waters. The journey will allow you to witness the stunning cliffs and the charming villages from the water, a truly unforgettable experience. A visit to the nearby town of Ravello, famous for its beautiful gardens and stunning villas, is also highly recommended. The views from Villa Ruffolo are nothing short of spectacular, making it an ideal spot for a romantic moment or a memorable photograph. Don't miss the opportunity to attend a concert at the villa, as the acoustics and the setting create a magical ambiance. As we continue our journey, we reach the enchanting region of Tuscany, renowned for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming medieval towns. One of the highlights here is Siena, a city that captivates with its well-preserved medieval architecture. The Piazza del Campo, with its unique shell shape, is a vibrant gathering place where locals and visitors alike enjoy the lively atmosphere. Explore the narrow streets, visit the stunning Siena Cathedral, and if you're there in July or August, witness the famous Palio horse race, a thrilling event that showcases the city's deep-rooted traditions. Another gem in Tuscany is San Gimignano, known as the medieval Manhattan for its striking towers that dot the skyline. Strolling through the cobbled streets feels like stepping back in time. Be sure to try the local Vernaccia wine, which pairs perfectly with the region's delicious cuisine. As you wander, take in the stunning views of the surrounding countryside, with its vineyards and olive groves stretching as far as the eye can see. The local gelato shops are also a must-try, especially the award-winning Gelateria Dondoli, known for its creative flavors. Next, we head north to the breathtaking Dolomites, a mountain range that offers stunning scenery and outdoor adventures. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking to take in the views, the Dolomites have something for everyone. The picturesque town of Cortina d'Ampezzo serves as an excellent base for exploring the area. With its charming shops, cozy cafes, and stunning mountain backdrop, it's the perfect place to unwind after a day of hiking. During the winter months, the Dolomites transform into a ski paradise, attracting winter sports enthusiasts from around the globe. Take the opportunity to ski the slopes or simply enjoy a hot chocolate while admiring the breathtaking scenery. Continuing our journey, we arrive in the picturesque city of Cinque Terre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site comprised of 5 colorful villages perched on cliffs overlooking the Ligurian Sea. Each village has its own unique character, with vibrant houses and breathtaking views. The walking trails connecting these villages offer stunning panoramas and are perfect for those who love to hike. Take your time to explore the narrow streets, sample fresh seafood, and perhaps even enjoy a glass of local Chiacchiera wine while watching the sunset over the sea. Monterosso al Mare is famous for its beautiful beaches, while Vernazza is known for its charming harbor and vibrant atmosphere. As we head back towards the mainland, let's stop in Bologna, known as the food capital of Italy. Here, culinary delights abound, and food lovers will find plenty to indulge in. Be sure to try traditional dishes such as tortellini, ragu alla bolognese, and the famous mortadella. The city's vibrant markets are perfect for sampling local produce and delicacies. As you wander through the historic streets, take a moment to admire the beautiful architecture, including the iconic 2 towers that dominate the skyline. Climbing to the top of the Asinelli Tower rewards you with stunning views of the city's red rooftops and the surrounding hills. Next, we venture to Naples, a city brimming with energy and rich in history. Naples is the birthplace of pizza, and no trip here is complete without enjoying a traditional Neapolitan pizza at a local pizzeria. The city's vibrant streets are filled with life, from bustling markets to lively piazzas. Don't miss a visit to the nearby Pompeii, the ancient city frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius. Walking through the ruins, you'll gain a unique perspective on life during the Roman Empire. The preserved buildings, frescoes, and mosaics provide a fascinating glimpse into the past, and it's easy to spend a whole day exploring this historical site. As our Italian adventure continues, we make our way to the stunning island of Sicily, where ancient history meets breathtaking landscapes. The capital city, Palermo, is a vibrant hub of culture, art, and cuisine. Explore the bustling markets, visit the impressive Palermo Cathedral, and savor local dishes that reflect the island's diverse influences. A visit to the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento offers a glimpse into Sicily's ancient Greek heritage, showcasing well-preserved ruins set against a stunning backdrop. The Temple of Concordia is particularly impressive, standing as a testament to the architectural prowess of ancient civilizations. Finally, we conclude our journey in the serene lakes of northern Italy. Lake Como, with its picturesque towns and stunning villas, is a must-visit. The town of Bellagio, often referred to as the Pearl of the Lake, is known for its charming streets and breathtaking views. Take a boat ride on the lake, exploring the enchanting villas and gardens that line the shores. The tranquility of the lakes provides a perfect contrast to the bustling cities, allowing you to relax and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. For those looking to indulge, consider dining at a lakeside restaurant where you can enjoy fresh fish and local wines while taking in the stunning scenery. As we wrap up our exploration of Italy, it's clear that this incredible country has something to offer every traveler. From the historic streets of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, the rolling hills of Tuscany, and the stunning landscapes of the Dolomites, Italy is a land of diverse experiences. Whether you're drawn to art, history, cuisine, or natural beauty, each destination offers its own unique charm and countless memories to cherish. So, pack your bags and get ready to discover the magic of Italy, where every corner tells a story and every moment is a chance for adventure. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the best places to visit in Italy. I hope you're inspired to explore this beautiful country and create your own unforgettable memories. With every visit, you'll uncover new layers of Italy's rich heritage and culture. So whether you're planning your first trip or returning for another adventure, Italy always has something special in store. Until next time, happy travels.
Do you want to save big on all of your travels? Watch this video to learn how. It's a free training. See you there.